Morning with Ameer. February 9th and I'm very happy
Why are you happy?
because I love birthday parties. So that's why I'm very happy. And also it's gonna be fun and my friend is gonna come here so I can play. And that's another reason.
And why is there a birthday party today?
Because when someone grows taller, like another year old, like Yasseen was 0, now he's 1, and today is Yasseen's first birthday. Read here, Yasseen is 1 now, just now. Please click the red subscribe button below if you wish to be notified of my upcoming videos. So we chose the black and white because the panda is black and white, and also Daddy called Yasseen a panda. This is a frosting cake, but Mommy made this yesterday. I saw her. Mommy baked a rectangular sponge cake, and she cut the cake in 3 layers and filled them with buttercream and assembled them. Then she used vanilla buttercream to cover the cake. She covered the cake with white fondant. She used black fondant to make the eyes, nose, ears and limbs, and black icing to draw the mouth and make some fur. Hey, look! These are the paws of panda. The panda, when he went up there and sat there, and did you know pandas, they love eating bamboos. They're very long plants. They're very long. He's sitting on a bamboo. These are the bamboos. But this is one giant bamboo. This says Yasseen is 1. Today, just now. The cake also shows a panda like these hats, 40 hats. And there, and look, those bags have the panda on them. That's nice. And the panda paws are also here. I didn't know how they came. The panda walked here, he ate some food, and he walked again, and then he sat on the bamboo. He climbed up. This is happy birthday. We celebrated it in a grassy field. Mommy made a happy birthday banner, a crown for me, a poster, and number 1, written in letters and numbers. I was eating the poster. She also made a smash cake. It was yummy. I ate a lot and made a big mess. Now a question for you. Would you prefer to have birthday parties indoor or outdoor? If you want to know how we made the party decorations, please check part 1 and part 2 of this video. Their links are below in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and give me a big thumbs up. Please also share this video with all your friends and family. And to be notified of my upcoming videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Learning with Ameer. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.